Structure Blue has all of the tools to handle the specific needs of flooring contractors. The quote proposal system allows for the ability to quickly price a quote and generate a formal proposal. You can even reprice the quote with alternates. Once the quote is accepted, it sets up the job, the budget, and even a schedule of values if needed. Quote Proposals integrates with the purchase order module, allowing you to order materials. The Roll Inventory feature facilitates any shop materials that may be aggregated in your warehouse. Just because you spent 50% of your budget, that doesn't necessarily mean you're halfway done. Report your progress as often as you want by entering % complete, cost to complete, hours to complete, or other ways to reflect the true estimated final cost. With Structure Blue, AIA G702 and G703 forms can be created instantly and automatically be signed, stamped, and emailed, and if the requisition gets cut, you can easily void and reissue a revised AIA with the corrected amount, and Structure Blue will take care of the rest throughout your entire accounting system. For any public jobs you might do, Structure Blue can instantly create certified payroll reports in multiple formats for federal, state, or even municipal jobs. Structure Blue can even produce minority and union reports if required. We also offer the Structure Mobile Suite, bringing you the power of Structure to your mobile device out in the field. As members of StarNet and Fuse Alliance, we are nationally recognized throughout the commercial flooring industry. Since 1979, CF Data Systems has been helping commercial contractors increase efficiency, improve their business processes, and drive profitability. Are you next?